A very sweet good morning, dear children. Welcome in SST class. Children, your teacher Renu Ma'am is back with one more physical feature of India. I'm talking about chapter number 6, the coastal plains and the islands. In this chapter, we'll read about coastline and islands. Okay? So what is the meaning of coast? At first, what is the meaning of coast? Coast means seashore or land next to or close to the sea or ocean. Okay. The seashore of a sea or ocean. Now what is the meaning of island? Island, a land area surrounded by water on all sides. Children, the coastline of our country is vast. Okay, there is a peninsula in the southern side. Peninsula is a place which is almost surrounded by water on all the three sides. As you know, east side there is Bay of Bengal, west side Arabian Sea, and in the south side Indian Ocean is there. So it is also called Peninsula of India. Right, children? So let's start reading chapter number 6, page number 41. Let's start. So children, you can see this is the map of India. In this map, green part, okay, it is indicating coastline here, okay, right. India is a vast coastline. देखिए coastline यहाँ से start हो रही है and it's very vast up to here, okay. On the west, it begins from the Gulf of Kutch. वेस्ट साइड में देखिए गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ से स्टार्ट होती है. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ गल्फ? इट्स अ डीप इनलेट ऑफ द सी ऑलमोस्ट सराउंडेड बाय लैंड विद अ नैरो माउथ. ओके, so it is clear. You can see in the pic also, right? So it begins from the Gulf of Kutch. Kutch is a place in Gujarat. Moving southwards along the Arabian Sea. Here you can see Arabian Sea. Along the Arabian Sea, it reaches Kanyakumari here. Okay, Kanyakumari. Thereafter, it moves northwards. Move कर रही है. Okay, along the Bay of Bengal. Here you can see Bay of Bengal. Okay, up to Bengal. Okay, up to here, up to Bengal. Altogether, the length of the coastline is nearly 6,000. Altogether, its length is nearly 6,000 kilometers. So it is clear. And it begins from the Gulf of Kutch. यहाँ से start हो रही है. आपको फिर से बता रही हूँ गल्फ का मीन क्या होता है. What is the mean of Gulf? And a deep inlet of the sea, almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. Okay, a part of an ocean or sea extended into the land. जो extend कर रहा है land में, okay, land में extend कर रहा है. A part of an ocean or sea, that is called Gulf. Okay, so now you can see the coastal plains are situated in the west and the east of the plateau region. Okay, the coastal plains can be divided into two parts, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Okay, so it is divided into two parts. Well, number one, you can see here, that is western coastal plains. Okay, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Okay, the western coast of India is divided into three parts. एंड ये वाला जो वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन है ये भी थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. द गुजरात कोस्ट, द कोंकण कोस्ट एंड द मालाबार कोस्ट. जस्ट कीप इन माइंड गुजरात कोस्ट, कोंकण कोस्ट, मालाबार कोस्ट. सो एट फर्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट गुजरात कोस्ट. ओके, गुजरात कोस्ट, द वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन इज क्वाइट ब्रॉड बिटवीन द गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ and the गल्फ ऑफ खंबात, कच्छ एंड खंबात, ये दोनों प्लेसेस हैं, नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस, ओके, बट गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ and the Gulf of Khambat, right? So clear? Gulf, I'm telling you again, Gulf होता है a part of an ocean or sea extended into the land, जो extend कर रहा है land में, okay? So farmers grow groundnut, cotton and tobacco here in Gujarat coast, and here you can see Ahmedabad textile industry. Here you can see Ahmedabad textile industry. Ahmedabad is famous for the textile industry, okay? Textile, you know, related to cloth, okay? And petroleum is available at Khambat. There is an oil refinery at Koili. So it is clear. You can see the pic of oil refinery and Kandla port also. Here is one more new word, the meaning of port. So what is the meaning of port? Port is a city or town or other place where ships load or unload. जहाँ ships जो होते हैं वो load होते हैं या unload होते हैं. Okay? So clear? Kandla port. Next, Kandla is an important port in this region. So this is all about Gujarat coast. So clear? So जो हमारा western coast of India है, that is divided into 3 parts. The Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast, and this was all about Gujarat coast. Now we are going to read about Konkan coast. The western coastal plain is quite narrow between the Gulf of Khambat and Goa. This port is called the Konkan coast. The land of this region is uneven. जो land है यहाँ पे वो uneven है, okay? Plain नहीं है, this is uneven, okay? So this is clear. Now we'll read about, see, Konkan coast. You can see the pic of Konkan coast here. Mumbai is famous for textile and film industry, okay? It is also a big trade center. एक business center है, बहुत बड़ा business center है. There is a natural harbor at Mumbai. So now here is one more new word, harbor. What is the meaning of harbor? A place on coast where ships, okay, where you can say a place on coast, a part of a body of water as a sea or lake, so protected as to be a place of safety for ships. That is harbor. Okay, so telling you again, a part of a body of water, जैसे कोई sea है या कोई lake है, so protected as to be a place of safety for ship. That is harbor. Okay. So now number 3 is Malabar coast. The southern part of the western coastal plain is called the Malabar coast. Okay. जो southern part है, जो सबसे नीचे वाला part है, that is called the Malabar coast. You can see here. I'm talking about this part, Malabar coast. So clear? The southern part of the western coastal plain is called the Malabar coast. It lies between Goa and Kanyakumari. There are coconut plants all along the coast. There are lagoons. So here is one more word, lagoon. So what is the meaning of lagoon? A lake that is separated from the sea by rocks or sand. मतलब लेक बन गई है जो सेपरेट हो गई है सी से. कैसे सेपरेट हुई? By rocks or sand. That is called lagoon, and it is also called backwaters. There are lagoons, or you can say backwaters of the sea. Lagoons या backwaters, that are the same. Okay, the lagoons are connected by canals. Okay, Kochi is an important seaport of the Malabar coast. So if the question comes in this way, write the name of important seaport of the Malabar coast. You can write Kochi. There is a shipbuilding yard in Kochi. The Nilgiri hills are on the Malabar coast. This area is known for its tea and rubber plantation. Paper, clove, ginger, cashew nut and banana are also grown on Malabar coast. There is heavy rainfall on this coast. Okay, so you can see pics of rubber plantation at Kochi. Now we'll read about, this was all about western coastal plains. Now we'll read about the eastern coastal plains. Okay, The eastern coastal plain is a wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Right? I'm showing you again the pic. You can see in this pic here Eastern Ghats, here Bay of Bengal. मतलब Eastern Ghats और Bay of Bengal के बीच में जो हमारा आ रहा है that is Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay, and it extend from Bengal in the north. देखो यहाँ बंगाल, यहाँ North Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. Okay, and every width is about 120 kilometers. The coastal plains can be divided into two parts. इसको भी two parts में divide कर सकते हैं. Number 1 northern Sarkars and number 2 Coromandel coast. Okay, let us see in the book. It stretches from the delta of Ganga in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Okay, the Coromandel coast stretches from Nellore up to Kanyakumari, and the northern Sarkar from Nellore up to the delta of Ganga. The eastern coastal plain is bordered and drained by many major rivers like Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And these rivers form large and fertile deltas along the mouth. Okay, so you just read about delta again in our previous chapters. I told you about delta. Okay, the eastern coast is a long stretch of plain and has a few lagoons. So again lagoon, what is the meaning of lagoon? It's clear to you now? Well, so eastern coast is a long stretch of plain and has a few lagoons. Means lake that is separated from the sea by rocks or sand. Okay, the largest lagoon of India, the Chilka Salt Lake, is in the state of Odisha. You can see here, this is the peak of Chilka Lake. The western coast and the eastern coast meet at Kanyakumari. So the question can come in this way also, and where western coast and eastern coast meet, that meet at Kanyakumari. States along the coastal plains are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Puducherry. So it's clear. So children, today you have to read about the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plains. Okay children, so you have to read carefully both the pages, page number 41 and 42. Okay, so this is chapter number 6, the coastal plains and the islands. Okay children, so have a wonderful time. Bye bye all of you.